Hello friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Jagdish. In this video, we will discuss about output tags in Visualforce. Output tags used to display output to the page. These two tags used in a output tags. First is the output label, a label for an input or output fields. And second tag is output link. Output link output link tag creates a link to a URL. Let's see one example. Here I am create one page. Name of page is output label example. Inside page tag I am create form tag. I am write here form tag. Inside form tag I am write output label tag apex output label, and value of output label is I am write here enter your name. Here we can see enter your name is displayed. After that I am write here apex input text, and id of input text is here I am write name. Link this output label and input tags. Here I am write for, and same value is pass here. Here we can see here name and this name is same. Here we can see text box is appear. Here I am add breakface. Okay, here I am simply copy this and paste here. This is for enter your, here I am write username. Here value is username and id is also username. Save this. We can see here text box of enter your username is display. After that I am here again paste here output label, enter your password. Here value is password, and here I am write input secret. ID of input secret is same as output label for attribute password. Save this. We can see here password text box is successfully created. After that next is output link. Here I am write apex output link tag. Here I am write salesforce. Save this. Here I am add break tag. link is created and its value is I'm just copy URL of Salesforce and paste here in value in this way and save this. Now we can see here link is successfully created. When I click here Salesforce link, now it's navigate to Salesforce site. In this way we can use output tags in Visualforce. Please like video and subscribe my channel for upcoming video. Thanks for watching.